Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing my eyebrows, and I want to show you how I'll be doing these eyebrows today. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be doing my eyebrows, continue to watch this video till the end. So first thing I'll be doing is to clean my eyebrows, and I'll be using this micellar cleansing water. This is just to make sure there's no oil around my eyebrows, and also to clean any dirt that might be there. Next, I'll be moving on to my primer. I'll be priming my eyebrows with this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So not too much since it's just for the eyebrows. Next, I'll be going in with this powder. This is the Juvia Stay Setting Powder in the shade Sahara. You need a spoolie brush, and I'll be using my spoolie brush to brush my eyebrow hairs in place. Now I'll be using this All Care eyebrow pomade to outline and fill in my eyebrows. This is how it looks like. So I have this side outline. So now that I have my eyebrows outlined, I'm going to go ahead and fill it very lightly. To conceal my eyebrows, I'll be using this CoverGirl trueblend concealer. This one is in the shade of Golden Honey. I'll be using this brush to conceal my eyebrows. I'm going to use this brush to blend. So I'll be using this CoverGirl True Blend concealer to conceal the upper part of my eyebrows, and this one is in the shade Warm Tawny. So at this stage, you can leave your brows like this. It is well slayed, but I just want to add a little bit of something to it. And I have concealer at the back of my hand. I know my hand is looking nasty, so I'm going to use the concealer just to give my brows that beautiful look. But you can just leave it like this if you don't want to spoil your eyebrows, because this part is really technical. Yeah guys, that will take us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have any question related to this, don't forget to comment in the comment section below and I'll be replying to all of your comments. Thank you all for watching up to this time, and I will see you guys in my next video.